Welcome back. Okay, we continue our journey for question 7, C and D. It is a new section. They said they have a new function G. We need to compare with F. So remember F is like this, 5 sine pi over 6x plus 15. And the temperature required for swimming is hotter than or equal to 15 degrees Celsius. Okay, but look at the G model first. Okay, then find the temperature. G, okay. First October, 5 months. And what is month? Okay, X is the month, right? So we substitute x equal 5, so you actually just get a 5. Okay, G5, okay, equals to 3.5 sine 5 pi over 6 plus 11. What is 5? What is sine 5 pi over 6? Yeah, just sine pi over 6, okay? So next question, what is sine pi over 6? 1/2, so it is 3.2 over 2 plus 11. Paper 1, you need to calculate 3.2, 3.5, 3.5 over 2, 1.75, right? So it's 1.75 plus 11. Go back to primary school, some subtraction stuff. Okay, so it's 12.75. Okay, you remember loaded for units. Okay, and then next one, the sodium body temperature is never warm enough. So maximum temperature is taking the sign as 1, right? Is the maximum, right? So the maximum temperature, you can say maximum T is 3.5 times 11, 14.5. So say you notice in the previous section less than 15, so can't swim. Yeah, it's a song question, so we need to so the process. Last one, gx equals 0.7 fx plus q. Wow, hard to compare, but remember the trick. Every x is okay, so you can substitute 0. It is the trick. Yeah, 0 works too, so all the sign becomes 0. So g is 11, f is 15, yeah, plus q. And then this is a I calculation again, 0.7 times 15. Can you do it? Yes, it's 10.5, okay, plus Q, so Q is 0.5. That's it. Okay, we did a great job. Okay, so we proceed to the last extra question for SL, question 8. Okay, if you like a sharing, remember, please like, subscribe, and share. Support us. Thank you.